Attorney at Law Martin George has described the Defense Amendment Bill 2013 as an unnecessary and cumbersome measure. More in this report. The Defense Force Amendment Bill seeks to amend Section 5 of the Defense Act, Chapter 14(1) to confer on any member of the Defense Force who is engaged in assisting any member of the police service in the maintenance of law and order with the same powers, authorities, privileges, and immunities as are given by law to members of the police service. Since debate began on the bill in Parliament, several organizations in Trinidad and Tobago have voiced their displeasure with such a move. One group even referred to the bill as a violation of the Constitution. Today, Attorney at Law Martin George weighed in on the issue.
When one looks at the requirement and you look at the explanations which have been proffered to the effect that it seems that they are saying that they need to improve or increase the strength of the police service, the immediate thought which comes to mind is, why then not recruit more police officers? If it is that you need to increase the strength of the police service, the immediate solution seems to be to increase the strength of the police force.
He continued that if, as a short-term measure, the government wishes to have soldiers who can assist the police in their functions, then this is no different from what occurs now.
You can have the soldiers as the backup, but the question of now changing soldiers into police officers, it seems to be an unnecessary cumbersome measure, which as yet does not seem to have attracted popular support, nor does it seem to have embedded within it all the checks and balances which are necessary for such a measure.
Mr. George went on to note that there are several countries which have tried militarizing their police services and never realized any long-term positive effects.
You look at Jamaica, they have tried doing this and they have simply ended up ratcheting up the war, in that the more they arm and overpower in terms of their police service, the more the criminals raise the ante. So we have to be careful in terms of that and ensure that, look, at the end of the day, the police are there to do their job, the army, they are there to do their job, and they're two